We also tested each vacuum on several types of floors, including hardwood floors and high-pile carpets. Then, we evaluated how many passes it took to suction up different items, such as popcorn kernels, Cheerios, and hair. There are many products available to choose a vacuum cleaner, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best vacuum cleaner from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. If this list of vacuums has already made you exhausted from just thinking about the task of vacuuming your house, then the iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum may be the one for you. The iRobot was the crown winner in our robot vacuum test, thanks to its effectiveness on all types of flooring, from hardwood and tile to carpeting. It took us less than 5 minutes to get this robot vac going after removing it from the box. This short time period includes downloading the app and setting up the vacuum's cleaning schedule on our phones. As robots can only do so much that humans cannot, the Roomba had some issues detecting the edges of rugs and carpeting, staying away from those areas, as if it sensed a drop-off or staircase. With this in mind, you may have to nudge it along when it gets to the edge of a surface, but it is fantastic at maneuvering around obstacles like chair legs and couches. For an appliance that can effectively clean for you while you go about your day, we'd say this model is as good as it gets. Number 2. Shark NV151 Navigator Swivel Pro Complete Upright Vacuum. After days of testing, this vacuum was a clear standout, picking up top scores in nearly every category. Shark has made a product that's not only easy to use, but also powerful enough to effortlessly suck up stubborn particles like pet hair and cereal in one pass. We found that the Shark Navigator Swivel Pro Complete Upright Vacuum was incredibly straightforward to put together out of the box, with everything sliding together in just 3 minutes. No matter what surface we ran the vacuum over, including hardwood floors and low, medium, and high-pile carpets, it was a breeze to maneuver, effortlessly gliding across even the thickest of rugs. The vacuum has multiple settings for carpets and hardwood floors, which made it seamless to switch between the two surfaces. At 15 pounds, the upright vacuum cleaner is fairly lightweight. It can even be used with just one hand. Plus, thanks to a HEPA filter, the vacuum can capture small particles, including dust and allergens, making it more comfortable to breathe indoors. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Deluxe Corded Handheld Vacuum. Earning the title of Best Overall in our Dustbusters vacuum test, the Bissell CleanView Deluxe Corded Handheld Vacuum was a standout thanks to its lightweight yet durable design, strong suction power, and large dirt canister capacity. While many other dustbusters needed to be emptied at least once throughout the test, this tiny yet mighty machine lasted throughout the vacuum trials, despite sucking up large quantities of dry cereal, hair, flour, and more. It only needed to be cleaned out at the very end. This lack of canister cleaning was a huge convenience to us, but we found that this model was not super portable. In fact, for a vacuum this small, we'd rather it be cordless. However, the cord is 18 feet long, so you'll likely complete most of your chores before being inconvenienced by this feature. Cordless or not, with its easy-to-assemble design, it comes basically ready to use, and deceivingly strong cleaning power. It's not hard to see why the Bissell was a winner. Number 4. Samsung Jet 75 Cordless Stick Vacuum. We love our pets dearly, but there's always going to be a trail of fur left in their paths, which calls for a great vacuum that can clean up after them. The Samsung Jet 75 Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner worked tirelessly to scoop up pet hair across all surfaces, from tile to high-pile carpets, leaving only a clean space in its wake. Not only was this model easy to assemble, but it performed exceptionally well when it came to picking up hair on all flooring types. We love that you could use the vacuum as a cordless stick model, or detach the handle from the base to convert it into a sleek, shorter handheld wand. The crevice tool came in handy when getting into those small corners, as the regular vacuum struggled to get debris at the very end of the base. We did notice, however, that the volume was quite loud for our taste. This may not be a big factor to you if your home doesn't have an open design, but if it does, you may wake sleeping children or disturb Zoom calls if you're hoping to multitask. The battery lost power a bit faster than we expected, but it charged quickly, so this wasn't a big problem. Number 5. Shark Vertex DuoClean PowerFins Cordless Stick Vacuum. Unboxing this vacuum, however, is a little more complicated than our winner. Since each included piece is individually wrapped, it's a little tedious to pull everything out before you can even begin to build it. Yet despite that extra plastic, the vacuum cleaner is still able to come together in under 5 minutes. On hardwood floors, the vacuum sucks everything up instantly, no kernels or pieces of cereal flying around, and it effectively picked up debris on 3 types of carpets on the first go. We also appreciated how little effort it takes to use and move the machine. Since the vacuum is so narrow and slim, it's easy to bend and maneuver under the couch and coffee table. It also has LED headlights, illuminating all the dust and hair you may have otherwise missed. And it's quiet for a powerful device, although it does become louder when it rolls over bigger pieces of debris. Users can operate the vacuum cleaner for up to 60 minutes at a time before it needs to be recharged. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.